Go. Good day, viewers. You are welcome to Tindanious Math Tutorials. If you are new here, as usual, visit my previous lecture videos on cyclic permutations, okay? And you are going to appreciate what I'm about to do over here. I've given you all the technicalities involved. I've taught you 4 hints, okay, to know about this cyclic permutation. Most people use this n-1 all factorial and n-1 all factorial divided by 2. But I said there is a limitation. And Tindanious mathematics tutorial is there to reveal these hints and secrets to you. But we said that whenever you are doing the arrangement on a ring, all right, so the formula to be employed is what? n-1 all factorial divided by 2. Is that also? That is 1. Ring and necklaces and what have you. Okay, necklace. 2. When you are doing this arrangement, okay, on this ring, where the clockwise direction, okay, in other words, we are talking about this circular arrangement where the clockwise direction, okay, is considered or is equal to the anti-clockwise direction, okay, you are still going to use the same formula. Also, when you are also doing this arrangement in a circular manner, okay, in other words, arranging them on, let's say, on this ring or on this necklace, taking all at a time. When we say taking all at a time, what it means is that n should be equal to r. That's the meaning of for taking all at a time. It also goes by the formula n-1 all factorial divided by 2. So when you hear or you listen to these statements, okay, you just employ this formula, okay. Now, when you use this same formula, okay, let me give you the same scenario where you are going to arrange given number of objects, okay, on the same ring, but taking at a time r. This formula will not work. Do you get it that way? Yes. So let's focus on this. In my next tutorials, we'll solve problems where this formula will not work. All right? Okay. So viewers, here we have in how many ways can 7 beads, okay, be threaded on a ring. So you see the ring. Ring is what? Is a hint. So let's look out for the total number of items or objects. But here it's what? Beads. The total number is what? Is 7. Okay. But here, viewer, you see they didn't talk about R. See here the formula, you didn't see any R over here. You don't talk about R over here. But immediately you talk about R, these formulas will be altered. Right? Good. So here, in other words, we are taking all at a time R. When you say taking all at a time, it means n is equal to r, which is equal to the 7. That's what it means. And I also told that whenever you have word problems on permutations where they don't talk about r, what it means is this. It means the r is equal to the total number. Right? Good. So here, let's go straight to the point and just quote the formula and substitute. So we have what? So we have number, okay, number of ways, okay, number of ways of the beads onto the ring, okay, is given by the formula n-1, the expression n-1 all factorial over 2. So we have, what is n? N is equal to 7. So I have 7 minus 1 all factorial over 2, which is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6 factorial divided by 2. You can use calculator, or 6 factorial means 6 times what? 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 then times 1, then all over what? My 2. Okay, you said 6 factorial means you start from 6. You have 6 minus 1 is 5. So you multiply by 5. You know that 5 minus 1 is 4. You multiply by 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Multiply by 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Multiply by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 times 1. The all over 2. So these two cancels these two. So by the help of the calculator, okay, so I have, if I multiply everything, I'm having 360 number of ways of arranging 7 beads threaded onto a ring. Viewers, let us appreciate this question. We have what? The total, let's look out for the total number of the item. But here it is what? It is 9. So we have 9 beads, all of different colors, to be arranged on a circular wire. Right? 2 arrangements, viewers, listen. 2 arrangements are not considered to be different if they appear the same when the ring, okay, is turned over. How many different arrangements are possible? Viewers, remember, I told you that for cyclic permutation, we have 2 types of directions. Okay, we have the clockwise direction and the anti-clockwise direction. So if we have a situation where the clockwise direction, okay, the clockwise direction is the same as what the anti-clockwise direction, then the formula is what? N minus 1 all factorial divided by 2. And I also told you that the ring, okay, you can either use ring or let's say a necklace, okay? And I use this necklace for an example, right? So let's say if I have this necklace this way, or let me consider this to be my ring, okay? So this here, if I have this side, okay? I also told that whenever you have a cyclic permutation or a circular arrangement where there's flipping, you also use the formula n minus 1 all factorial divided by 2. Obey the voice of the question. So here, if I flip this one on the other side, I get what? This side. So this side is just the same as what? As this side. Okay, so if I turn this one on the clockwise direction, okay, and this one on the anti-clockwise direction, okay, if the direction is equal to the other direction, this direction is equal to the other side, then the formula still holds, which is n minus 1 all factorial divided by 2. That is why the question said that 2 arrangements, that's what, clockwise and anti-clockwise, okay, are not considered to be different. That means the arrangements are considered to be what? To be the same. So when you have it that way, then we say what? The number of arrangements, okay, is given by what? Viewers, n minus 1 all factorial divided by what? Divided by 2. Viewers, go and visit my previous lecture videos. I've started this thing from the very introduction. I've explained all these things, alright? We are only solving questions. So my n here is what? We have 9 minus 1 all factorial over 2, which is equal to what? 8 factorial then divided by 2. And by the help of the calculator, we are getting this. We are getting 20160 number of ways. Okay, yes. So these are the possible number of ways to do the arrangement. Viewers, whenever you talk about R, when we bring R, take it at a time R, these formulas cannot work or solve the problem for you. So, okay, viewers, when you have R, let's say take it at a time R, okay, these formulas wouldn't hold again. We are going to modify, we are going to adjust this formula. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and comment, okay, where I bring you questions, okay, similar questions where we are going to use a different formula, right? Remember, these are word problems. Once you don't understand what the problem means, you are going to deviate. So Tindanious mathematics tutorial is here to, unlock the secrets for you. Your grade A is important to me. Also, appreciation of mathematics in real life pattern, okay, in real life situation is important to me also. Bye.